Welcome to iOS Insights, your go-to channel for iOS app development using Swift and SwiftUI. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an experienced developer seeking advanced techniques, this channel aims to provide you with valuable insights and knowledge. This is part 2 of the tutorial of how to use the observable object within SwiftUI. In this tutorial we'll be showing you how to pass the values from the content or data entry view to the destination view. For example, here I type in my name, click on update to update the caption, then click on go to destination view, which is a different view from the first view that we're on, and you can see that the information was passed from the first view to the second view, and if you go back the information is still available. So this is the final part that we'll be doing in this tutorial of observable objects within SwiftUI. Within Xcode, create a new struct and call it destination view. So to do that, you can right click on the mouse, left click on the mouse and then hold down the control key, CTRL key, and click on new file. And then just let Swift file or SwiftUI, probably quicker to do it that way. Just let SwiftUI file, click on next, and then type in the name of the file, which is called destination view, and then click on create. And then the next thing we need to do is on line 11 enter the following: at observe object private var person. So this just declares an observed object of type person, and that should be private. And then next thing to do is to create an initializer. It's init person, and then self.person equals person. The initializer, the purpose of that is just to initialize the observed object and to assign the new instance into the person object variable instance. And the preview, we're not using it at the moment, so we can delete that. On line 18, just type in name, colon, and then type in person.name. And what this does, it displays the current name of the person within the text view. And then the next thing you have to type in is dot font title, just to style the name. So what happens here, when the user clicks on the other button to navigate to this view, then the person's name will be displayed on this view. So the person's details is being passed around within the application using observed object. And to do that, we need to go back into the data entry view, And then within the data entry view, on line 31 or 32, just type in navigation link, destination view, and then pass in the person instance to the constructor, which is this person here that we created last week with the attribute of name. And then just type in text, go to destination view, and now we can run the application. I'll type in my name now, and then click on update, and then when I click on go to destination view, you'll see that the actual object instance has been passed to the other view. As you can see, my name is captured on the other view, and that view is this view, the destination view, that displays my name at the end. The observable object in SwiftUI is a property wrapper that enables view updates when changes occur to an observed object. By marking a property as observed object, SwiftUI automatically tracks its changes and triggers the view updates accordingly. This allows for a reactive and dynamic user interface where views stay in sync with the underlying data. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.